Right. I want you to stop whatever you are doing and look at the screen right now. Just watch this footage. What you are looking at is not a clever CGI trick, and it certainly isn't a heavily modified American lowrider fitted with aftermarket hydraulics. That is a factory standard, 5.2 meter long, 2.5 ton luxury family SUV sitting in a perfectly mundane car park. And it is literally dancing. It is violently hopping up and down on all four wheels like a toy. This is the newly updated Li L9, specifically the new Livis edition. And what you are witnessing is one of the most outrageous, unapologetic flexes of automotive engineering I have ever seen in my entire life. To make a vehicle of this sheer, monumental mass physically jump into the air requires a frankly terrifying amount of kinetic force. It is made possible by an entirely new 800-volt fully active suspension architecture. We are not just talking about standard, lazy airbags here. We are talking about a system so immensely powerful, with active electromechanical force at each corner, that it can violently lift the entire mass of the vehicle off the ground in a fraction of a second. But you might be asking yourself, why on earth would you want your luxury family cruiser to do a dance routine? Well, it is a demonstration of absolute power. Because if the suspension has the raw, brutal strength to literally jump up and down in a car park, imagine what it can do when you are actually driving it in the real world. That brings us to the next piece of footage. Imagine you are cruising down a poorly maintained British B road. You spot a massive, jagged pothole. Normally, you'd tense your shoulders and brace for a bone-shaking crash. But look at the L9 tackling asymmetrical trenches and off-road ruts. The wheels are launching into the air, violently crushing deep trenches. Yet the cabin remains almost eerily, terrifyingly motionless. It literally hovers. Up at the front, they have deployed a pure double wishbone geometry, the same architecture you would find on a track day supercar. At the back, a highly complex, fully independent 5-link system. When that massive front wheel drops into a void in the road, the 800-volt active system doesn't just lazily catch the fall. It actively forces the wheel down into the hole to maintain tire contact, whilst completely isolating all that violent kinetic energy away from the chassis. You don't wince, you don't spill your coffee, you just carry on with your conversation as if the road beneath you is made of glass. But here is the thing that really messes with your head when you start digging into the engineering. Metal, compressed air, and hydraulic fluid alone simply cannot react that quickly on their own. It takes time for a mechanical valve to open when a wheel hits a bump. So, how on earth does the car manage to keep the body perfectly level, whilst the wheels are fighting a violent war against the ground? How does it know what is coming before it even hits the obstacle? The secret weapon isn't hidden underneath the chassis or behind the wheels. It is sitting right there, proudly, on the roof. That distinct, futuristic horn protruding above the windscreen houses a state-of-the-art, solid-state hybrid LiDAR system. Let's put this into a real-world scenario. Imagine you are driving down a pitch-black country lane in the dead of winter, whilst your fragile human eyes are straining in the dark, desperately trying to see past the reach of your LED headlights. This sensor is constantly firing millions of laser pulses every single second. It is scanning the topography of the tarmac milliseconds before your tires even get close to it. It acts like a digital echolocation system, creating a highly detailed, three-dimensional point cloud map of every single rock, crater, and imperfection in the road ahead. But here is the catch. Gathering all that information is totally and utterly useless if the car isn't smart enough or fast enough to understand it. That is precisely why Li Auto gave the L9 an absolute monster of a brain. We are talking about dual NVIDIA Orin-X chips. To give you some context on just how ridiculous that is, we are looking at a processing power of 508 TOPS. That is 508 trillion operations per second. The L9 literally sees the trench in the road via the LiDAR, does the complex physics mathematics to determine the impending kinetic impact, and sends a digital command to the suspension valves. It tells the shock absorbers to change their internal hydraulic pressure before the tire even makes contact with the edge of the pothole. It stiffens the exact corner taking the hit to absorb the blow, while simultaneously softening the opposite side of the car to keep the passenger compartment perfectly level. It is like having an invisible, hyper-intelligent race engineer sitting in the passenger seat, tuning the suspension 1,000 times a second, just for you. It is, quite frankly, cheating the established laws of physics. Right. Before we go any further, let's kill the internet debate right now in one single, definitive sentence. The internal combustion petrol engine under the bonnet has absolutely zero mechanical connection to the wheels. It operates strictly and solely as a generator to feed the battery pack. Boom. Done. The end. Let's move on to the stuff that actually gets our blood pumping. What we truly care about is what happens when you decide to be a bit of a hooligan and put your right foot firmly to the floor. The L9 gets all of its forward thrust from dual tyre, high-performance electric motors, giving you a true, real-time all-wheel drive system. You are sitting on the command of nearly 450 horsepower of combined output. But as any true petrol head will tell you over a pint at the pub, horsepower is just a number on a specification sheet. Top speed doesn't matter on the school run. It is the instant E0 RPM torque that physically takes your breath away and pins you to the back of your seat when you bury the throttle into the plush carpet. The power delivery is brutal, relentless, yet completely civilized. Imagine sitting in your favorite, most comfortable leather armchair in your living room and suddenly being catapulted forward with the urgency of a German sports saloon. That is exactly the L9 experience. Now, this is where that hyper-advanced active chassis we just talked about shines all over again. In a normal, heavy combustion-engined SUV, dumping 450 horsepower to the tarmac all at once causes a massive, clumsy weight transfer. The back end squats down like a heavily laden boat taking off, making the front tires lose vital traction and making the steering feel dangerously light and floaty. It feels sketchy, but thanks to that 800-volt suspension system communicating with the motor controllers in real time, it instantly levels the car out. It actively resists the rear-end squat, ensuring that all four massive tires maintain their maximum contact patch and grip. It just grips the road and goes, rocketing this 2.5-ton block of luxury forward without a single hint of drama or tire slip. But you know what really matters when you spend this kind of money on a car to travel with your family. It isn't just about 0 to 60 times or Nürburgring lap records. It is about freedom. Pure, unadulterated freedom. Let's face reality for a second. The electric vehicle revolution is brilliant in many ways, but it gave us a brand new, highly stressful psychological headache called range anxiety. The constant, nagging, lingering fear in the back of your mind of having to find a working public charger, in the freezing rain Pasovi, with crying kids in the back seat, only to discover it's broken or occupied. This is where the updated L9 Livis completely and utterly changes the game for the long-distance driver. By combining hyper-advanced aerodynamics, an intelligent chassis that lowers itself at speed to reduce drag, and an obsessively efficient thermal management system, this massive SUV delivers a frankly ridiculous combined range of over 1,300 kilometers. Just let that number sink into your brain for a moment. 1,300 kilometers without needing to stop. You can glide through the center of London, completely silently, with zero tailpipe emissions, in pure electric bliss using the generous 44.5 kilowatt-hour NMC battery. But when Friday evening arrives, and you want to take the family on a massive cross-country road trip up to the Scottish Highlands or across the continent to the south of France, you just get in and drive. You don't stop at grimy motorway service stations to queue behind 3 other cars for a rapid charger that might not even accept your credit card. You just cruise at high motorway speeds, whilst the LiDAR and the advanced driver assistance systems keep you perfectly centered in your lane, and that dancing active suspension irons out the terrible road surfaces. You just effortlessly eat up the miles, It fundamentally brings back the forgotten romance of the Grand Tourer. It flawlessly mixes the quiet, refined performance of a modern electric vehicle with the endless, unstoppable endurance of an old-school diesel cruiser. It is the ultimate weapon for destroying vast distances in absolute comfort. When you take a step back, clear away all the marketing noise, and really look at what the newly updated Li L9 Livis brings to the global automotive table, you realize something profound. It is no longer just a large, comfortable family car. It is a massive, blaring wake-up call to the entire industry. We are looking at a vehicle where supercomputer processing power dictates an 800-volt active suspension to keep a cabin whisper quiet and perfectly stable at 70 miles per hour over severely broken roads. The legacy automakers, the historic giants from Germany, Japan, and America that we have trusted and bought cars from for decades, are not just losing a simple price war anymore. That is a total myth. They are being fundamentally outclassed in core chassis technology, onboard processing power, and software integration. The technological abyss between what this Chinese SUV offers as standard equipment and what traditional Western luxury brands charge you thousands of pounds extra for on their options lists is getting embarrassingly wide. For a very long time, we bought cars based almost entirely on heritage and the prestigious badge on the bonnet. But a car that can literally dance to prove the strength of its chassis proves that the future of the automobile isn't just about heritage leather or how loud the exhaust pipe is. It is about how cleverly and efficiently a machine can utilize computational power to defeat the physical laws of nature in order to protect, entertain, and comfort its occupants. The global consumer is waking up to this new reality very quickly. The world of automotive engineering is changing at a breakneck pace, faster than at any point since the invention of the internal combustion engine. And the real terrifying question for the old guard remains, when will they finally wake up and realize that the game has completely changed? If you love this deep dive into the bleeding-edge engineering that is actively changing our world, make sure you hit that subscribe button to Drive RPM right now. We don't just do basic car reviews here. We dissect the technology, the mechanics, and the physics that actually move them. Drop a like on the video to help out the channel. Let me know your thoughts on this dancing alien suspension in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.